Make sure to wash your hands. Today we'll be baking the chocolate truffles. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now roll the intro. 3, 2, 1, go! Pour the heavy cream into a saucepan and put it on medium heat. Once there are small bubbles on the edges of the heavy cream, turn the heat off, like right here. Put the butter and chocolate into the saucepan. Mix it with a rubber spatula until it is smooth. If the chocolate isn't melting, turn the heat in between medium and low. Make sure the mixture doesn't get too hot though. Once you're sure that the mixture is smooth, add a 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix that in. Once the vanilla is mixed in, pour the mixture into a shallow bowl. Make sure to scrape it and get all the chocolate out. Put plastic wrap over the shallow bowl. Then put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. And my plastic wrap skills are not very good. Grab your melon baller and scoop the chocolate into balls. It will be firm, so you may need some help. Once you're done scooping them into balls, put them on a large plate. Next, pour the powdered sugar into a small bowl. I just estimated it. You will want to grab your balls and roll it around in the sugar. So it will be covered in the powdered sugar, and then it will be ready to serve afterwards, unless you want to put it in the refrigerator to eat later. You might want to put them in a box to present them and give them to some of your friends. But you are done and they are delicious.